This dance is called Nancy Mulligan. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 restart. So we're starting on our right foot with a heel grind. So you're going to effectively touch your right heel forward and grind the heel so that you effectively move your toe from left to right, all over 1 beat, 1 count of music. So you're going to do that heel grind, step the left just beside the right, step the right beside the left, and repeat with the left foot. Heel grind, this time the grind is from right to left, as you step the right beside the left, left beside the right. Into a little weave to our left, so we cross the right over left, step the left to the side, cross right behind, step left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left. So that set of steps once more then. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, grind and cross, side behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp your right to the side. Touch the left out to the side, but you're going to turn your knee towards the right. Touch the left heel to the side, step the left beside the right. And repeat. Stomp, touch that left toe to the side as you turn that knee towards the right, touch the right heel, and step the left beside the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left into a little weave, behind, side, cross, right over left. So that little steps once more then. They're quite quick, those first few steps. So we're going to stomp the right, stomp, toe, heel, close, off on the right then. 7, 8. Stomp, toe, heel, close, stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross. On the and count, you're going to bring the feet together, then cross the right over the left again. So it's a cross and cross. Make a quarter turn right as you step that left back into a coaster step, back, close, step on that right. Step forward on the left, make a half a turn left as you step your right back, shuffle, half a turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. So that section of steps once more then. And cross off on the left. 7, 8. And cross, turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Now there is the equivalent of a full turn in that little section of steps. If you wish to try and take it out, your non-turning option would be start the same as everybody else and cross, turn, coaster, step, step forward on the left. Now instead of making that half a turn, you step forward on the right. Instead of your shuffle half, you shuffle forward on the left. Non-turning options, should you wish to try and take the equivalent of that full turn out. So let's add that to the top. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross, and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. And even into the non-turning steps. Step, turn, half shuffle. The last little section then to end the dance. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Bring the right back beside the left, point that left forward, but you want a straight leg for this particular point. Hold. Bring the left beside the right, touch the right beside the left, step the right down beside the left, touch the left heel forward, bring the left back beside the right, scuff the right, hitch the right, cross right over left, step left to the side. There's an awful lot of steps there. So let's do that once more. I'll keep it slow to start with. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward, rock and point, hold and touch and heel and scuff, hitch, cross, side. Hopefully you're getting a feel for this set of steps. Once more then, a little bit faster. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock and point, hold and toe and heel and scuff, hitch, cross, side. It is quite a fast set of steps. But that's the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Forward, rock and point, hold and toe and heel and scuff, hitch, cross, side. So you can get a good feel for the timing. I'll now go through with the counts. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you can see how you end on that and count and you're straight in to the next wall. So that is your timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Forward, rock and point, and touch and heel and scuff, hitch, cross and heel, grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Forward, rock and point, and touch and heel and scuff, hitch, cross and heel, grind and cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. Stomp, toe, heel, close, side, rock, behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle. Forward, rock and point, and toe and heel and scuff, hitch, cross and. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Not so sure I'm going to be calling all of those words out when the music is on. Now there is one little restart in this dance. Comes nice and early on at the end of wall 1. And you basically miss off the last 8 counts. So it comes after 24 counts. So you don't do your point and your hitch and your toes and your touches and all of that stuff at the end. And then you just restart the dance. Half shuffle turn, restart into your heel grinds. End of wall 1. So let's do wall 1 and restart the dance. Heel grind off on the right. 7, 8. Heel grind and cross, side behind, side cross, rock. Stomp toe, heel close, side, rock, behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn, half shuffle, restart, heel grind and cross, side behind, side. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heels, grind and heel, grind and cross, side behind, side cross, rock. Stomp toe, heel close, side, rock. Behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn. Half shuffle, restart. Heel, grind and cross, side behind, side cross, rock. Stomp toe, heel close, side, rock. Behind, side, cross and cross. Turn, coaster, step, step, turn. Half shuffle, forward rock and point, and turn well heel and step each cross and heel grind and cross and behind side cross, rock. Stomp toe heel and stomp toe heel close side, rock. Behind side cross and cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn. Half shuffle, forward rock and point, and toe and heel and step each cross and heel grind and heel grind. Cross side behind side cross, rock. Stomp toe heel close, stomp toe heel close side, rock. Behind side cross and cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn. Half shuffle, forward rock and point, and touch and heel and stop each cross and heel grind and cross side behind side cross, rock. Stomp toe heel close, stomp toe heel close side, rock. Behind side cross and cross, turn, coaster step, step, turn. Half shuffle, forward rock and point, and turn well heel and stop each cross and heel right. Stomp. And cross. Poise, forward rock. Heel right.
Streak in a jet black hair, 60 years I've been loving sun. I was sat by the fire in our old chairs. You know Nancy, I adore you.
And cross.
Born in Belfast town, I never worry about the king and crown. Cause I found my heart up on the southern ground. There's no difference, I assure you. She and I went on to run, don't care how religious. I'm gonna marry the woman I love, down by the Wexford border.
And cross.
She was Nancy Mulligan, I was William Shearer. She's mine even then we go down by the Wexford border.
Hope you managed that one.